Hey guys, this is Steelmaster Plate Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial SM-PB135 ton 4 metre absolute NC press brake. So this is a 2-axis NC programmable press brake, so it works in the Y-axis down and the X-axis, which is the back gauge. We run the Estun E21 2-axis controller, so it's a numerical programmable NC controller. So very good, very simple. So it just gives you programming power of your both down and also your back gauge sequencing and doing sort of basic jobs. Now our 4 metre 135 tonne is a very good size, and it's mainly sold to, say, commercial catering guys doing longer lengths, general sheet metal fabrication industry. So 4 metres long, 135 tonne capacity. Some of the key features of this model itself is we've got 3600 frame width, which is a lot wider than most others. We've also got the side throat on the side. It's 420 deep, which is very good. So when you're doing sort of splashbacks and sort of deeper folds, you can get right in. So let's run through the actual machine itself. So we've got offset gooseneck top tooling, and that's all segmented into smaller sections. We've got roughly about sort of 400-800 lengths, and then the other sections are cut up into smaller sections. All of our Steelmaster industrial press brakes have scalloped top tooling, so when you're working that tooling on the ends, it just gives you more flexibility. We fit, now these are added as an optional extra, but we fit the Kali laser guards to the machines. It just allows the operator to work in really close to the machine. Doing the small jobs is very important. Swing out side guards. We run a 95mm multi-V bottom die block. All of our Steelmaster press brakes, once again, also supplied standard with a bottom cradle. So if you want to cut up your bottom tooling, fantastic, it's easy. You just put that back in the cradle and everything lines up. Once again, the catering guys, general sheet metal workers love to have a segmented bottom cradle. So overall build quality, we've been selling this machine for over 15 years from our same supplier. Upstairs in our spare parts department, we've got over 4,000 spare parts to cover you over the years gone past. So front seat supports are standard, nice foot pedal control up and down, E-stops all around the place, which is good. You've also got a bending chart on the front there, so if you're unsure what you can bend, look at your bending chart. Service forms come this way. We've got T-slotted fronts, so your front sheet supports can slide all the way around. Around this way here itself. We'll open this up now. It doesn't stop the machine from working because we use laser guards. Now that's cycling at the moment, so it's a very, you can see the back gauge going out, so then it'll stroke down now. Very quiet hydraulics. We use all off-the-shelf branded names for our hydraulics and electrics. So as you can see there, nice big deep throat. We also have an LED work light behind the press brake itself, just to illuminate the actual working area. Now this device here, this is your open height adjustment. So basically you can set your open height, your depth of stroke, your fast and slow approach, everything via here, so it's nice and easy to use. All right, around the back of the machine, little toolbox for your manual and your bits and pieces. Now we offer an open back press brake, so basically laser guards there as well. If I walk inside there, it's going to turn the machine off. You can see the machine working now, so it runs a chain operated back gauge. Our back gauge across the back there, Maddie, come over here. It's got 4 fingers, so those fingers are fully adjustable, and you can slide those across the back gauge any way you like. So there's our absolute NC 2-axis press brake. Very popular model, very affordable to meet the market, but very good quality. So jump on assetplan.com.au and find our range of metalworking machinery. Thanks and have a great day.